Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. It's Emanes here and I'm here with another video on Timefarm. So Timefarm has dropped an update, a very big one about listing and TGE, of course, which is very much around the corner, and I'll be going into details of that in this video. So before that, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and of course you can join our WhatsApp community if you haven't already to join us in our discussion sometimes, of course, and get big updates from there. So firstly, they said the time token is already listed on top exchanges. Big news, upcoming drop details. So firstly, what you have to understand is we have seconds and we have time. Those are the two things that you need to understand. If you come to the mini app right here, what you are earning here is called seconds. This is your balance here. As you can see on this account, I have about 197 million seconds. So you will convert that seconds to a token that is already listed called time. So there is an update that I got. I'll be discussing in a few time. Of course, just give me some minutes and I'll get there. I actually got this from the AMA section, so I will drop that very soon. So they said it's like seconds TGE but using time. Think of it as the reverse takeover of time token by the seconds token. What you need to understand is you'll be converting that seconds to time. So I'll be telling you guys about the conversion rate and what you need to know. So as you can see, the listing news, time listing mechanism are sorted out. We'll be distributing time tokens on all popular exchanges like Coinbase, Bybit, Gate.io, KuCoin, PancakeSwap, and others. What you guys don't know is this guy, Sajay, the CEO, the owner of Chronotext. Chronotext is what the platform that actually owns Timefarm. So I wish I could actually, okay, as you can see right here, Chronotext is the platform that owns Timefarm. So I've been following Chronotext for I think since 2016 or so. I've been following Chronotext, particularly on their X. So no, not 2016, 2023, sorry guys, 2023. So 2023 I've been following Chronotext back to back. So that was when they celebrated, I think it was their 50th anniversary. I joined their space and I heard Sajay, the CEO of Chronotext, discussing a lot about how they are going to be coming up with one of the best tokens on the blockchain space. So what you guys don't understand is there's a lot of other things you could be doing with your time farm, like using it to boost ads and all that. And not just that, you can use this time farm to actually hire people to work for you. Okay, so that will be coming up very soon. I will probably make a video about that, maybe on my second account, on my second time farm account, which I have a lot more than this. So as you can see, the next thing I'll be going into is the conversion ratio, guys. Sorry for the delay. All right, so during their AMA section, Timefarm actually announced the conversion ratio in. Okay, so the conversion ratio is one time coin is 200 seconds. So if you have 200 million seconds, it's equivalent of one time coin. And okay, let me just go to CoinGecko to show you the price of one time coin. So I know for a lot of you this will be very disappointing because you expected a lot more. So that's the reason why I told you guys there is a lot more that you can be doing with your time token than just selling it off and converting your seconds token than just selling it off and converting it to time just to get that quick buck in place. So if you go to this place and you search for time, of course you see time, it will just pop up. And okay, as you can see, this is time right here. It is owned by Chronotech. So they want to use this project to actually boost this other coin. It's just like should I say an advertisement and exposure for them. So if you go to the info, you see the current circulating supply. Okay, the FDV is very low, just $9 million. The total supply is about 710,000, which is not much, but as you can see, the current price is about $12. So they said they will be redistributing this coin, and if they redistribute, sorry, it means that the total supply will increase and the FDV might not really be affected, and the FDV might not increase, meaning that the price will dip from this current $12. So that will be quite sad. That will be quite sad. Okay, let me just do the conversion ratio for you. For those of you who don't understand, let's say you have 150 million time coin divided by 200 million. Okay, so you'll be getting about 0.7 time coin, and time coin is currently worth $12.8, which is just about $9. If you have 1 billion, which of course I know many of you don't have up to 1 billion, so I'm just giving an example. So that would be 5 time coin. 5 time coin times 12.8, which is about $64. $64 for 1 billion seconds. That's crazy. I don't even know if I should say it's not worth it. That's really crazy. And considering the fact that it will drop, let's say you are able to get 5 time seconds times, let's say at $7.5, that's just $37, which is about how much in our current local currency is just about 56,000 naira. So this is crazy, guys. I don't know. uh I would actually encourage you guys to just put more effort, and let's just, at this point, all we have to do is pray and hope that the rate, of course, will be increased. So they said a new watch model is on the way, so even at this point that they have already announced listing, they are still bringing a new watch model. So guys, that's it for Timefarm. There are so many other airdrops that has been dropping several updates, so that's why you need to actually join my community, guys. If you are not there already, you need to actually join. So I will be actually organizing a class very soon, very soon, in this second quarter, of course, late second quarter. So for people who are interested in learning crypto trading and forex trading for free, absolute free, but it being free means that I will have to set a couple of things in place to actually make sure that the best persons who are actually ready to learn this get to learn it, not just anybody. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and of course stay tuned for the next updates, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like I always say. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.